Hello students, welcome to our online session. These classes we are discussing about the concept of stack. In that last session we finished with how to convert an infix expression to the postfix expression, and then you have tried out those example problems or the homework problems also. Now you would have got an idea how to convert infix to postfix expression. Today's class we will discuss about postfix expression evaluation. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಫಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ what will be the final answer we will get, that we need to do. So postfix expression, we know it's a collection of operator and operand in which operators are placed after the operand. So here in postfix expression, operands, the operand means values will be in the front and operator will be at the end. So just for your understanding, here in this example, if you take AB is an operand plus is an operator, this is an example for a postfix where AB will be, usually when you write in a mathematical expression, we will write A plus B. So when you write like that, it becomes infix expression. But here in postfix expression, operands will be in the beginning and operator will be at the end. So this is about postfix expression. Today's session we will discuss how we can evaluate this expression using the concept of stack. So we need the concept of stack, but we have a facility to evaluate. So postfix expression can be evaluated using stack data structure. To evaluate postfix expression using stack data structure, we need to remember these steps. This is like an algorithm, okay, to convert your postfix expression to an to evaluate postfix expression. You need to remember these algorithm. First step, to read all the symbol one by one left to right in a given postfix expression. So first step banbitu, you need to read the formula, whatever expression given from left to right, not from right to left. Right in the andre symbol in the baratte. So here in thing you need to read from left to right. That is the first step. If the reading symbol is operand means values bandre 5, 10 atara values bandre, push them onto the stack. So you need to read and come, values bandre, push them onto the stack. If the reading symbol is an operator, then perform two pop-up operation and store the two popped operand in different variable. And then perform reading symbol operation with operand 1 and operand 2 and push the result back onto the stack. Ega, see operand bandbitre, I think it's clear. You just need to push it to the stack. In case operator bandre, plus or addition or subtraction, any operator come, last in the stack, last two operand means value, that should be popped out, and the symbol you would have got, no, you need to use the symbol and evaluate it. Evaluate ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you will get an answer, correct? That answer should be once again pushed to the stack. For example, consider in our stack we have 5 and 3 in the stack. 5, 3. Clear? Now I am seeing a variable plus. When operator is seen, what we have to do? We have to pop out two values. So which values are there in the stack? 5 and 3. 5 and 3 will be popped out. And what is the operator? It is there plus. So you need to add 5 plus 3. You will get 8. That answer 8 has to be pushed back to the stack. Like this you need to perform. Last is finally perform a pop operation and display the popped value. Like this you need to use the same step and evaluate the entire formula. You will get the final result in the stack itself. Stack alli last agi the first as a first element we would have got the final result, print that final result and complete it off. So this is the step we need to use it for postfix expression. Understand? First read the symbol from left to right, then if the symbol is operand, push it to the stack. If the symbol is an operator, pop two items operands from the stack and perform the arithmetic operator based upon the arithmetic operator given. You will get some answer you put it back to the stack. Like this you perform continuing and finally perform a pop operation and display the popped value on the final result. So the final answer will be in the stack that you popped it out and completed off. We will discuss this concept with an example. See, I have taken an expression 5 plus 3 within a bracket. Okay, so infix expression don't want, we will start from a postfix. We are going to evaluate postfix only. Don't confuse yourself with infix expression. Postfix, actually you don't want this line. Postfix expression 5 3 plus 8 2 minus and asterisk. So this is the expression we need to evaluate. So we will start from the beginning. First we need to take 5. Correct. So we are making a table, reading, stack, evaluated. What answer we are evaluating. So first thing, which one we need to, as per our expression, we need to read from left to right. So 5 has to be read. It is an operand. Operand andre value. Value andre stack alli kalsbeku. So we will put it to the stack. Then we need to see how it comes. See, initially stack is empty. The first thing you need to read is 5 and you need to push 5 to the stack and nothing is there to evaluate. Okay, symbols yavdu bandilla. Next is 3. You will use 3. Already 5 is there in the stack. Push 3 also into the stack. So third step is done. Next, when you read, operator is there. Plus symbol is entering. So you could observe here you can find an addition symbol. So as per our algorithm, any operator is available. You need to pop up 2 values and then perform that particular arithmetic operation. So value 1 of is going to be 3 because this is stack concept. Last in, first out. So value 3 will be popped up first, then value 5 will be popped up. And the symbol what we use is plus. So we need to do 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So and the receiver, what value we get, that should be pushed back to the stack. So we got 8. So here we got 8. That will be pushed back to the stack. Got an idea? Next we will continue with the formula. Next 8 is there. So already in the stack 8 is there. You need to push 8 into the stack. Next when you see 2 is there. Once again it is an operand. So push 2 into the stack. See 2 is being pushed. Both is done. Next expression when you observe, minus is entering. So when arithmetic operator is entering, what is the rule? You need to pop up last 2 items and then do the Panzan arithmetic operation. So first item to be popped is 2 because that is in the top position. Next to be popped up is 8. So result is going to be 8 minus 2 is 6. So you got 6 as an answer. 6 should be once again pushed into the stack. So that's what we have pushed 6 into the stack. Next when you see plus is there. Plus is entering. So already 6 and 8 is there. So pop whenever, once again same rule, arithmetic operator is entering means you need to pop 2 operands. So 6 and 8 will be removed and the symbol it's entering is multiplication. So 6 into 8, 48 will be there and the answer will be pushed to the stack. So your final answer will be 48 and you need to write like this. Postfix expression of 5 3 plus 8 2 minus asterisk is 48. Got an idea? Just a simple rule. Left in the read ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. Operands ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ keep pushing it to the stack. ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಾಗ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Answer once again you push it to the stack. Got an idea? This is how we will do. We will try out one more example so that you will have a better understanding. So this time we are taking 6523 plus 8 asterisk plus 3 plus asterisk. Okay, using postfix expression. First you need to so when you evaluate, if you could see from the 6 we will start and come. All first 4 digits are operands, values only. So directly put it to the stack. First enter 6, ತಿರುಗ 5 push ಮಾಡಿ, 2 push ಮಾಡಿ, 3 push ಮಾಡಿ. Finished. Next I have to enter plus. When we get to do plus, what is the condition? Last 2 values has to be popped up undo. So last two values means 3 and 2 has to be popped out. So it will be 3, 2. And what is the operator use? Plus. You will get 5. So 3 and 2 will be removed and 5 will be entered. That is what we have received here. Got it? Now plus is over, 8 has to enter. Directly enter the 8 into it. Okay, 8 has to be entered. Next comes asterisk. So see, 8 has entered. Then you have a symbol called asterisk in this location. Once asterisk is entered, asterisk has to be entered. Once again asterisk bandre, what we need to do? You need to pop out last two values. So in that case, 8 and 5 will be popped out. 8 and 5 will be popped out, and the symbol we get is multiplication. So 8 into 5, you will get 5. This is multiplication symbol. You will get 40 as the answer. So enter 40. Then when you could see, so this is the expression we have taken. We have come up to this asterisk. Then plus is there. Plus means once again operator. Operator andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Last two values ಅನ್ನು remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it will remove 40 and 5, and which symbol is used? Plus. So it will add 40 plus 5, 45. Once again it will push 45 into the stack. You could observe, see 45 is here, you could see 45 is pushed into the stack. After plus, you need to enter 3. So 3 will enter into the stack. So this is the expression. So 3 has to be entered. So 3 will be pushed into the stack. So in the stack 6, 45 and 3 is there. After 3 you have once again plus symbol coming up. If you could observe, you have a plus symbol coming up after 3. So if plus enters, what will happen? 3 plus 45, it will become 48. So here you could see 3 plus 48. 48 will enter. And the last symbol we have is multiplication. So here see, we have multiplication symbol. We have multiplication symbol. So what it does? Last is these two value. This will be popped out. 48 into 6, it gets multiplied, and answer is 288. And this will be in the stack. Last thing, even the result will be popped out, and you will get 288 as the answer. So we will get 288 for the given expression. 288 will be the answer. Okay, this is how we can evaluate postfix expression using the concept of stack. Remember the step, left in the read ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. Read the statement from the left side. When you see an operand, push it to the stack. When you see an operator, pop last two pushed item, last two items from the pop, and use the operator and do the calculation. And whatever answer you get, put that answer to the stack. Okay, continue the process until you evaluate the entire expression. Very simple to do. Try this out just for your understanding. First copy down all the entire notes so that it will be, and these questions are very very important, this infix and postfix expression and postfix evaluation, this algorithm. And when they ask write a note on postfix evaluation, means you need to write that 4 steps algorithm, and you should only take one example and explain, like this stack you need to draw and explain how it comes. This is one way of asking. Another method is they only will give an expression and tell you to evaluate. In that case also you need to put a stack and show step by step, you need to show how it comes. Very easily, not big things, very big theory to study. Very easily you can study and write, get full marks, because this is more of problem based. Full marks will be given if your final answer is correct. Got an idea? So take a note of it. Go through it. Based on this exercise, I have given 2 homework problem. Do this and upload it in the classroom app. With this, I end the session. Have a nice day.